Today, we talk about
Yo, Cal said it. Listen, we gotta talk. A lot of people haven't been to my in my circles. My circles. No one really talks to me. Of the blogs on Ish I read and people I interact with online, they seem to not be a huge fan of these the 6 finalists for the Air Max personalized Ishes. And I got to say, one of them kind of caught my attention just from seeing them from a different angle on someone's feet. Still not going to get them. I'll lead with that. But I am really impressed with the London Air Max 97s. I'm not even a big Air Max 97 guy, to be honest with you. But these Air Max 97s, they got a lot of bop to them. Let me tell you. Dude, and the story behind them is kind of cool, man. Jasmine Lesud went on a first date with her now girlfriend. Lovely story, right? And then just the Primrose Park, I think it's called, or Primrose Hill, this picturesque area in London that they had that first date. Sunset vibes, good vibes, the whole theme of the shoe, just loaded. Love that. That's great, man. And yeah, I mean, I totally agree with her sentiment. You know, you got to put some personalization and personalized storytelling to your design, and it really does shine through, you know? I remember one of y'all a few months back reached out to me, kid who happened to go to my college, actually, my alma mater. And he was actually in this ASICS contest for a shoe design. And he was asking me for some tips on, you know, what kind of design to do and day. And I gave him some tips while talking to him about like his personal story, his background. And I suggested, you know, he make it personal to that story with a couple different ideas that I just kind of brainstormed with him. And he won the contest. So, hey, yo. So, yeah, I'm not going to say it's not hard to do, but I will say that, you know, as long as you have that kind of thought process, you know, you can't lose. I know the early shoe tubers, influencers who did the Saucony collabs kind of went along the same path. All their pairs sold out, as well as, before I forget, the New York model was pretty nice too. Really impressed with that one. The Air Max 98 Mezcali or Mezcal, something like that, which is inspired by the Statue of Liberty and all the gradients with the shades of people that live in New York and the whole backstory with that pair too. I don't know her personally, but she is a friend of some friends of mine who, now that I've been in New York and meeting some fella sneakerheads, so I've gotten to know her Instagram page a little bit, and a cool chick. So yeah, and hey, both examples from this drop, females, and they're killing it, man. So yeah, dude, it's an exciting time for sneakers. Again, I'm passing on both pairs. They didn't do enough for me to connect with them personally enough to want to get them, but I really enjoyed the story they were trying to tell, and I really enjoyed the carry through of their design and how it looks on those shoes. So y'all did pretty nice. Props to you. So yeah, let's tag it there. I don't know what else to say about these shoes other than, yeah, if you're feeling them or if you haven't heard about them, yeah, go check them out. I do feel like they may have dropped the ball a little bit, Nike, as far as like the release of them. Like it felt kind of confusing. Like you kind of heard rumors of them coming. When are they coming? When are they not coming? And maybe if they had like staggered them, like you didn't release them all at the same time, but then it's like, all right, you're going to play favorites. Like who goes first? Who's on first? Old timey humor triggered. Yeah, I mean, even if they had just released them all on Air Max Day, maybe that would have been better. But hey, they know what they're doing. They're a multi-billion-dollar corporation. Who the boo am I? You know what I mean? But yeah, sun's going down, so let's cut this short. We'll see you on the next one. We out.
bye.